friends, welcome to Feral Moon Designs. 2022 has come to a close and I wanted to take a moment to reflect on the channel and discuss what's in store for the future. As you may be aware, at the time of making this video, Feral Moon Designs has only existed for a couple of short months. I created the channel back in October of this year after rediscovering my passion for sculpting and creating, and with some encouragement from my partner. My first full video was released on October 28th, 2022, wherein I sculpted the pumpkin monster. From there, I would go on to complete a total of 4 sculpts between October 28th and the end of the year, including Ickis from 90s Nicktoons' Ahhh Real Monsters, Santa Jack Skellington, and my Elf on a Shelf crime scene. Today's video also includes a couple of sculpts that I did just before creating the channel as well. First of all, I want to thank all of you for the incredible support that you've shown to the channel. I never would have imagined that the channel would be well on its way to 300 subscribers by the end of the year after just a few videos. I can only imagine this is largely in part due to the likes, shares, and comments from each of you, and I cannot thank you enough for that. Not only do your comments and engagements make my day, but they genuinely help the channel grow by putting my videos in front of more people, and this channel has been testament to just how powerful your engagement and support is. So thank you. I've truly enjoyed my time creating and sharing with all of you, and I can't wait to share more in the new year. My plan moving forward is to work toward finding a balance between consistent video uploads and organically undertaking a new project. That is to say, while I want to and most certainly will strive to release content regularly, I also want to make sure that I'm always working on something because I genuinely want to create versus creating for the sake of releasing content. My goal is a minimum of 1 video each month, with an absolute possibility for more, and the inevitable likelihood that some upcoming projects will take longer. Additionally, I'll be continuing to work on fleshing out my preferred filming and editing styles as well as techniques, and eventually, hopefully, upgrading my camera. My current camera was once a pretty good camera back when 1080p was the standard, but I think it's time to move into the wild world of 4K, eventually. That's going to be a bit of a costly upgrade though, so bear with me on that one. All in all, I'm excited for the year ahead, and I'm really looking forward to creating and sharing even more with each of you. To my 200 plus subscribers who have joined me along the way, whether at the very beginning or just very recently, thank you again for your support, and I hope to see you again soon, friends. I've got plenty of plans for future projects, including a return to my 90s Nicktoons series, and the beginning of a favorite director series, and most certainly far more opportunities to learn and improve along the way. Until the next video though, if you haven't seen some of the sculpts in this video, I'll be providing links in the description box below. Now's a great time to go back and check those out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. I hope you have a wonderful start to your new year. I'll be seeing you soon.